Bon, bah, c'est parti pour commencer Sleeping Dogs avec vous. Aussi, pour info, je parlerai pas pendant la cinématique pour que vous écoutiez bien. J'avais oublié que le chargement était un peu long. Ah, voilà. Bon, je mettais.
收到啦。咩啊？攞多錢？
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
清楚。OK，各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊！
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情況有變，
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend. Just
Are you crazy? No, don't.
we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
Bon, ok, je vais flouter ça parce que c'est trop. Oh non, je refuse. Ça c'est trop. J'ai peur de la réaction de YouTube. Bon, je m'arrêtais. Ah bah la cinématique est finie. Oh là là, ça fait plaisir. Recommencer le jeu. C'est tellement beau. Graphisme. C'est vrai qu'on peut faire du parcours dans ce jeu-là. Ah, la lumière me fait mal aux yeux. Oh là là, c'est trop. En plus, ça faisait un bon moment que j'avais pas recommencé le jeu. Wow, seuls les vrais se rappelleront de ce jeu-là sur la 360 ou le PS3. Je sais pas s'il l'avait sur la PS3. J'étais pas un joueur PlayStation. Bah en fait, je le suis même pas. Oh, les petits gunfights qu'on va avoir sur cette série. Oh, les parcours aussi qu'on va avoir à faire. Et la police. Ah, mon émission va t'arrêter. Wow, c'est trop lourd pour le plancher, je pense. Je me rappelle avant, je manquais les portes sur la 360. J'étais trop nul. Bon, bah je vous laisse sur cette cinématique et je m'étais.
入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講，但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，即係成為呈堂供，你明白？
Hey man, I told you next week，下個禮拜 OK？OK？
點解你同我講埋呢啲
喂
嘢啊？唔掂咁咪出嚟行啦
It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit. Jackie Ma.
Lanaya, it is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait, man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you. 15 years to do that. We're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old. But good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
It was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, Happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Yee. I've got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Redpole and the Sun On Yee. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. And still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. He'll fucking love it. Man, Wei fucking Shen in the flesh. I can't believe it. Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him...
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. It'll just be like old times.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
You might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done this before.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads here. The Sun On Yee is the most powerful gang...
Look, Raymond. Your name's Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragonhead.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the triads for what happened to his family. It could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Bon, bah, ça parle beaucoup pour rien au final. La prochaine cinématique, peut-être. Ah ouais, bah, je me retiens encore.
This is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
I guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being...
Oh ouais, ça doit faire bizarre retrouver son ami. Bah, au moins il l'a retrouvé. C'est tout ce qui compte. Mais malheureusement, c'est une police infiltrée, je pense. Je suis pas sûr si ça se dit comme ça. Bon, ben, vous voyez, je peux pas courir. Donc en fait, je vais faire une petite coupure jusqu'à là-bas. Parce que sinon, c'est trop long. En fait, donc, voilà. Je vais faire la coupure. Bon, on se retrouve. Bon, bah, je me retiens en fait. Je me tais souvent dans cette vidéo.
Hey, Jill May, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
你條契弟，我今日收你皮。
Give him
淆底就認，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops.
哼！你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him. I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
Bon, là, je pense que ça va m'apprendre à me battre. Ah ouais, bon. Faut que j'appuie 5 fois X. Ouais, la petite attaque de base. Désolé pour le bégaiement. Maintenir X. Ok, ouais, cool. Oh, l'attaque de fou que je viens de faire. Oh. C'est vrai que ces fights dans ce jeu-là sont incroyables. Bon, déjà que c'est supposé d'être un GTA-like. Bon, en vrai, c'est bien. Comparé à des GTA qu'on peut pas se battre comme ça, c'est pas autant réaliste. Mais en y repensant, un GTA c'est pas fait pour faire du kung-fu. Ok, les autres reviennent, il me semble que c'est pas une grosse cinématique donc je peux continuer à parler. Ouais, voilà. Là, ça va continuer à m'apprendre à me battre. Je pense. Ouais, voilà. Appuyer sur B. Frapper RT. Ok. Bon, je pense qu'il faut le faire 2 fois chaque fois. Ouais, c'est ça, je pensais. Voilà. Une autre fois, j'imagine. Ouais, voilà. Oh là là, le kung fu, c'est dans ce jeu-là, il est incroyable. Je pense pas qu'il y ait juste du kung fu, mais ça, c'est des arts martiaux mélangés. Mais en tout cas, il sait très bien se battre. Wow. Cette attaque de fou que je fais. Ben, je pense qu'au fur et à mesure, on va apprendre des nouvelles techniques. Je pense. Ben, c'est pas je pense, je sais que c'est ça. On va apprendre des nouvelles techniques et ça va être incroyable. Wesh! Wesh! Ah ouais, le bug de fou que je viens de faire. Bon, je pense qu'il y a une autre cinématique. Ah non. C'est vrai, j'avais oublié. Ah ouais, c'est vrai, qu'est-ce qui était cool, c'est que quand tu empoignais un ennemi, tu pouvais interagir avec le décor, comme je viens de faire. Un autre cinématique. Bon, je me retire.
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Bon, en vrai, je comprends pas pourquoi Jackie n'est pas capable de se battre. Et Wei Shen, oui. Bon, le seul truc que je comprends pas en vrai, mais c'est pas grave. Ah, un autre cinématique. Wow! J'arrête de parler.
Where the fuck do you think you're going? Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider.
He's not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us, Hochi all day. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Old prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
Oh, Jackie 話嘅。
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢啊？
Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker.
Wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right? 係咪啊？
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with Dog Eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎。Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊。So, 10 guys, huh? You fearless? They're just crazy.
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
Ah oui, là je m'en rappelle. En fait, tu vas apprendre la technique comme... ouais, c'est ça. Comme... voyons, comme dans le jeu Batman, mais dans un jeu Gotham, je sais plus trop quoi. Genre, tu pouvais... Ah, c'était incroyable. Comment t'esquivais, comment tu bloquais, comment tu défendais, comment t'attaquais, c'était incroyable. Je parle de Sleeping Dogs et non de Gotham, là. Oh, les petits coups, les petits coups dans les gosses. Ouais, ils sont déjà pleins de sang. Me survivre pendant 20 secondes. Bah, c'était écrit 20 secondes, là, mais ça a changé. Oh, les attaques dans ce jeu-là. J'ai hâte d'apprendre d'autres attaques avec vous. Enfin, je les ai déjà appris. Je sais déjà qu'est-ce qu'il va y avoir, mais je pense que vous avez compris. Bon, je vous laisse avec cette cinématique.
Hey! 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓。
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, dog eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Hong Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
It's Wei. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls from Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Wei's her brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, Wei, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize. I'm really sorry your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, dog eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
He hasn't changed.
Yeah, he has. He used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not dog eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. Momentai.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
Ah, Dog Eyes, notre bon vieux ami. Comme Jackie d'ailleurs. Bon bah malheureusement je vous laisse sur cette fin de vidéo. On se retrouve pour un ou une prochain épisode, je sais pas trop, corrigez-moi en commentaire. Et puis moi je veux vous dire bye.